Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the buff 2-layer midweight merino wool buff. That's basically the product name. A product that you can use as a hat, as a scarf, and as maybe a headband. And it's also eco-friendly, and this one is made out of merino wool. That's the thing that I went for specifically. So let's try to get this thing open, like over here, and let's get this thing out. Oh wow, this let's see, here we go. Alright, well, this one obviously you can't use as a hat. I think I was misled a little bit. You can use this as a headband for sure. The color is kind of different than what I expected. I wanted to go for, I don't know what color I went for, but it looks kind of like purple a little bit to me, but don't trust me. I am a bit colorblind. Anyway, so yeah, this is the merino wool headband for adults. It's really just a headband. I'm sure it will serve me well while traveling. I might as well get one that is like a hat on top of that, or like a longer buff. This was around $25, which is alright, I would say, for merino wool. And the texture or the material of this is, I wouldn't say the comfiest ever, but it feels nice. It feels nice. Like I would be like, oh yeah, nice to wear this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the buff merino wool headband by the company is called Buff, actually, which is like the original of the original. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Have an amazing day, and bye bye.